We've got a, it's an UNVERFERTH head cart. It is an HT12. So it's got a 35-foot bar on it. It had a 35-foot head on it. And they extended the tongue out. I'll show you the problem with that here in a minute. But they have extended on that bar. I'd say originally this was a 30 and they added on to the middle here and extended it out. It does have the holders on it there. We hauled the head in on it. But the tongue, so they got this tongue and they extended onto it, but they didn't reinforce it good in the middle, and it bent, pushing the head up on the trailer. So this right here is a buckle in the tongue. That's why you're gonna buy it. It does have extension on the end, and honestly, it needs to probably go back to a 30-footer and put the tongue back original the way it was. But it is what it is. If you're gonna buy it like that, I would not pull it home like that. We will roll it on your trailer, but this is very weak where that buckle, okay? Like you can see how springy it is. They didn't reinforce it good enough. And then I saw this. This is what holds this down, this bar. So that needs a new nut on it and whatever. But that probably needs replaced. But it does have regular car tires on it. They're a little bit weather checked. But these head carriers have been hard to find. They've gotten danged expensive. And I figured somebody else that wanted a little cheaper cart might want to do the work to it, and we just don't have the time. So you're going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction. And these two back tires are really good. Okay, looks like they've replaced them. Two front tires are weather checked with no tread. So just know that. But know this cart, I am recommending you do not pull this down the road. That tongue will not hold up. Okay, it needs bent back and reinforced properly. They didn't do it right. And I'll show you, I'll turn it for you so you can see how tight it is. You can see it's pretty, steering wise, pretty good, but that tongue being all the way out there is kind of heavy. So, you're gonna buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction.